Hello everyone! Today our location will be a beautiful house from the 1700s, nestled in the Lombard Hills. There is news that in this area, a few days before the Battle of Pavia, in 1525, there was a skirmish with the French army. The house has been enlarged over the centuries. The original core dates back to the 15th century. A perfect setting for playing Baroque music. I remind you that the piece is live recorded without adding any effect, to enhance the acoustic of the various places. If you enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel to not miss the next episodes. Bye!